Hello everyone, welcome back to new class. Today we will do chapter 9, A Rare Species of Uncle. We have done two parts and now we will do part number 3 and we will start from here. But we on the other hand had to put up with the noise of his typewriter at 5 in the morning. But we means we because we were I means because I am with my cousins on the other hand had to put up the noise means we have to face the noise of typewriter at 5 in the morning because obviously Salim Mamu used to work at 5 early in the morning at 5 o'clock, so we have to really face the noise. Clack, clack, clack. There were no silent computers then, and then he typed the most of his books himself. See that time because Salim Mamu that time they he was not having any computers. Computers में इतनी आवाज़ नहीं आती, but that time he was having typewriter, and typewriter used to make noise when he was typing the book, when he was typing the this book of Indian birds, then it creates so much noise. And because of that, when I see his book of Indian birds, I still grumble to myself, it really robbed us of our sleep. Now let's see the grumble meaning. Grumble, complain about something or someone, and robbed us of our sleep means did not allow someone to sleep. Obviously, that's how we can, and that's how we can complain that because of noise we are not able to sleep, so we can complain about that. Next is, luckily for us noisy children, Salim Mamu loved young people. So Salim Mamu used to love the young people, the young, they used to love because he certainly used to scold us, but the next minute he would catch our necks with his walking stick and make a funny faces. So whenever when he sees us doing anything wrong, so initially he scold us ki why you are doing all this, you are doing mess up, right? But after that, because we were children, we were kids that time, so then he used to make funny faces. Oh nahi, main to aise bol raha tha. No, it's fine, if you're playing, so it's fine. There was always laughter when he was around, and his was the loudest and the most croaky. Now croaky means deep and rough like a frog's. Now his sounds were like a croaky, very deep. His voice was like very deep, and whenever he was around us, so he used to always laugh. He used to always smile, and he was very loud. He really loves talking. That's why he was very loud that time. Once my cousin and I decided to bake a cake for him on his birthday. It came out looking like a small rocky hill. However, we carried it proudly to the table and the 62-year-old birthday boy. So now Salim Mamu's birthday comes. So we means I with my cousin made a birthday cake. But obviously we were children, so we have no idea how to make cake. So it has become like a rocky hill, एक hill type का shape. The cake has become. Now however we carried it proudly and we were like, okay कि हमने बनाया, so what, it has, if the shape is wrong, what's doesn't matter, but maybe the taste will be nice. 62-year-old man, and we have written, because see Salim Mamu was 62-year-old, फिर भी we have written birthday boy was asked to cut it. Now we asked just to cut the cake. After a short struggle, the cake fell on the floor. Now what happened? The cake fell on the floor with a thud. Salim Mamu sprang back and peered at means looked closely and carefully. So when the cake fell down, the Salim Mamu just looked at the cake carefully, strange, he said. It didn't break. Lucky, it didn't fall on my foot. So he was like, okay, oh, it's strange. Luckily, it didn't fall on my foot. Otherwise, we were not able to, eat it. Now we can at least we can take it. We can take that cake and we can eat it. Next is wherever he was Salim Mamu always had a small army of followers. Many of them children interested in wildlife. Most of the followers of Salim Mamu were interested in wildlife, means in in trees, in bird watching. So they were really interested. Because of followers, many of them, because of him, many people in our family also became interested in natural history and conservation. Natural history means the study of plants and animals, and conservation means protection of natural environment. And because of Salim Mamu, because Salim Mamu was a nature lover, and because of that, in our family there are so many members has become the nature friendly or nature lover. I have many memories of Salim Mamu, binoculars around his neck, surrounded by little bird watcher, mouths open, staring into spaces. So I have so much memories of Salim Mamu. I remember whenever I have, I just remember the picture of Salim Mamu. So he was having binocular around his neck, and most of all, I remember the joy on his face when he was looking at a bird. But loving memory of Salim Mamu is that he just the look, the face of the joy, on his face whenever he was looking at a bird. It did not have to be rare or colorful one. Even a bee eater or a drongo brought a special light for his wrinkled, sunburned face. Bird watching was his life. Now let's see the meaning. Bee eater, small bird, usually green chestnut colored with a long beak and eats insects. So it's a bird name. Sorry, it's a small bird name. Drongo, small or black gray bird with a frog dart. So it is also kind of a bird. So even a bee means these kind of bird brought a special light. See, because of these birds, he was very happy. Means I can remember his wrinkled face, his sunburned face, and it becomes so joyful whenever he sees the bird.